percent mode right now. Now, can you see my paint screen?
Yes.
Good. All right. So the sale price on something is $29.99. Okay.
Thank you. Turn it up. All right. Hey.
Okay. And the tax rate is 5.75, correct?
Yes.
So I'm going to put that as tax. And I will write it in a percent. 5.75. Now, what you have to do is convert this percent to a decimal. And the way to do that from converting percents to decimal, as shown earlier in the year, was to move this over to the left. Okay? So you're going to take your price, and you want to figure out the tax first. So you're going to take your price, you're going to multiply it by 0.0575. Now, for time purposes, because you got to go to GGI in about 5 minutes, okay, I'm going to actually use the calculator to save time. Okay?
Do what in 5 minutes?
GGI. Well, what did you? Yes, we have a virtual GGI session every day from noon to 1. You only have to stay in for a half hour, though. So if you want to do the 12:30, you could do the 12:30, okay?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah,
all right. Cool. All right, so now let's take $29.99 and multiply it by the 0.0575, and you're going to end up with $1.72.
All
right. Because the answer that's displayed on my calculator normally is this. Okay, so this is the answer right here, which would be normally 1 million, ignoring the decimal, 724,425. That's the answer normally. But how many decimal places do we have in the problem?
1. Wait on. 2.
No, more than 1. Okay, so in one factor we have 2, so you're halfway there. And then the other factor we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places in the problem. So we have to move our decimal place over. I'm going to erase the commas. One.
Pen. Right there, Anthony.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's for a total of 6 decimal places in the problem. My error there. It's actually 6 decimal places, not 4. So because you count 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My fault. 7 places. You see that? 3, 4, 5. Well, 6. I'm sorry, 6. It is 6 initially. 6. And it's going to come out to this answer, 1.724425. Now, you want to actually take the first 3 numbers of your problem and you round that to the nearest hundredth. In other words, we think dollars and cents, right? Okay, so your tax is going to be equal to, tax amount will be equal to $1.72. When we add $29.99 and $1.72 together, we're going to get this result.
A little bit. Maybe.
Okay.
A little bit.
So what I did, Xavier, is that I added 9 and 2, which gave me 11 right here, carried the 1 over. I added 9 and 7, that gave me 16, and added 1 more, which is 17. Once again, I have to carry my 1 over. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 1 is 11. Carry my 1. 2 plus 0 is 2, and 1 is 3. That's how I get my total price with tax. $31.71.
Cool.
So, I mean, really, it's just a matter of learning how to convert percents to decimals, then multiplying the sale price by the tax rate right here. Then, once you get your answer for the sale price and tax rate, you want to take the first 3 numbers, this number right here, and then these 2 numbers after the decimal point, round that to the nearest hundredth, which will give you the cent. Then add the 2 numbers together to get your total price right here. Okay?